Heart health has always been integral to Apple Watch. This year, we're thrilled to share our next advancement focused on a problem of massive proportions: high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. It impacts approximately 1.3 billion adults worldwide. The American Heart Association has referred to it as a silent killer because it often occurs with no obvious symptoms. To help, we've developed a groundbreaking feature that can alert you to possible hypertension just by wearing your Apple Watch. Using data from the optical heart sensor, the algorithm looks for chronic high blood pressure by analyzing how your blood vessels respond to beats of the heart. The algorithm works in the background, reviewing data over 30-day periods, and will notify you if it identifies patterns of hypertension. We've developed this novel approach using advanced machine learning methods and a series of studies totaling over 100,000 participants. While it won't detect all instances of hypertension, we expect to notify over 1 million people with undiagnosed hypertension in the first year alone, empowering them to make life-saving behavioral changes or start treatment. We expect clearance from the FDA and other regulators soon, with availability in 150 countries and regions this month, including the US and Europe. Now, let's talk about sleep, which is critical to daily restoration of your body and mind, and is also an important factor in your longevity. Apple Watch already helps you meet your sleep goals, gain insights, and discover possible sleep apnea. Now, we'll help you understand the quality of your sleep and how to make it more restorative with Sleep Score. The quality of your sleep is influenced by several factors, such as sleep duration, bedtime consistency, how often you wake up, and the time spent in each sleep stage. Sleep Score analyzes these factors each night and provides a classification plus a score. You'll see how the score is calculated, so it's easy to understand what you can do to improve. Guidance from leading experts, including the World Sleep Society, underpins the scoring approach. And over 5 million nights of sleep data from the Apple Heart Movement Study were used to develop and test the scoring algorithms. You can see details in the Sleep app, and you can track it over time in the Health app on iPhone. Now, back to Stan.
Hypertension notifications, the new Sleep Score, and the many other incredible health, fitness, and safety features will make a huge impact on users' lives. To support all of these amazing capabilities, we also re-engineered the battery. Series 11 now gets up to 24 hours of battery life, so you can wear it all day and all night. Series 11 comes in jet black, silver, rose gold, and a beautiful new space gray, all made from 100% recycled aluminum. There are also gorgeous polished cases made from 100% recycled titanium in natural, gold, and slate. This fall brings a beautiful new palette of colors across the entire band lineup, including the Nike Sport Band and Nike Sport Loop, which now has reflective yarn woven throughout the fabric, and a new Hermes Jacquard knit band with matching watch face that plays whimsical animations set in their iconic Paris store. There's also an elegant, narrow Grande Ache and new colors across the collection. And that's Apple Watch Series 11. With better durability, 5G, 24-hour battery life, and our most comprehensive set of innovative health features, now including hypertension notifications and Sleep Score. I'll turn it over to Amanda to tell you about the next version of Apple Watch SE.
Apple Watch SE delivers the core features and benefits of Apple Watch at the most affordable price. For many people, it's the perfect way to get started. This year, we are delighted to introduce Apple Watch SE 3. First, it gets our most powerful Apple Watch chip, S10, which enables even more features. It brings an always-on display to SE for the first time. Now, you can read the time and see the watch face without waking the display. With S10, SE also supports gestures like double tap and wrist flick, so you can easily control your watch with just one hand. SE already has important features like heart rate notifications, fall detection, and crash detection. SE 3 adds even more, like wrist temperature sensing, which enables retrospective ovulation estimates, and gives you richer insights in the Vitals app, so you can be notified when something might be off. SE also gets sleep apnea notifications and Sleep Score. Finally, For those moments when you don't have your AirPods handy, you'll be able to play media like music or podcasts directly through the speaker. Even with all these great new features, the power-efficient S10 chip enables SE to still get all-day 18-hour battery life. And for the first time, SE supports fast charging, making it easy to quickly top off the battery. It now charges up to 2 times faster than the previous model. In just 15 minutes of charging, it can add up to 8 hours of normal use. SE3 comes in the popular Starlight and Midnight, made with 100% recycled aluminum. That's Apple Watch SE3, featuring a new always-on display, 5G, temperature sensing, sleep apnea notifications, and sleep score. And with the powerful features of watchOS 26, this update takes SE to a whole new level. Not only did we update SE and series this year, we are also introducing an all-new version of Apple Watch Ultra. Here's Eugene to tell you all about it.